Think I can fly. Think I can fly when
Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I will teach you how to do warrior braids. So for this hairstyle, you will need a brush, two hair ties, and bobby pins in case. So the first step, you will make sure to split your hair in the middle and brush your hair very well, of course. Now grab your piece of hair and divide it into three, and you will start braiding a Dutch braid above your forehead. A Dutch braid is when the outer strands go under the middle one. So the French braid is above the middle one, but now this one is under. So while you're braiding that, you will grab the side pieces and make sure to hold them tightly because you don't want to have a loose braid.
I wanna run, chase the morning sun when I'm with you. Give it all away, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die. I wanna run away. I wanna run away. Anywhere out this place. I wanna run away. Just you and I.
When you're done with your first braid, tie it up and repeat on the other side. However, the only thing would be different is that you would leave one piece of hair on the back because whenever you finish with the braid, we're going to combine both of the braids. So you don't need a whole lot, just a little tiny piece from the back. And so what I did is, like, to not mess it up, I just put it over on the other side so I will know that, you know, I have to hold this piece of hair.
Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die.
To add more volume to my braids, I kind of open them up so they will not look, you know, flat and just boring. I wanted to make them, you know, as dramatic as possible. Now we're gonna take that last strand that we left off and stitch the two braids together by pulling it through the gaps of both of the braids, and make sure to make it very tight, and you will do it until there will be no piece of hair left.
When I'm with you, give it all away, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes,
be on the finish line, just take off one of the hair ties and tie all, like both of the braids together. After you finished, this is your choice. For me, I like to open up my braids to add more volume, so how I said before, it would look very dramatic.
I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes.
And here you go. Here is your warrior braids. I really hope you like my hairstyle.
I wanna run away. I wanna run away. Anywhere
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my hairstyle. Make sure to like my video and also subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to watch my last week's video, which was on 10 productive things to do while you are in quarantine. Also, if you want to learn more hairstyles, just make sure to hit that notification button, because soon I'm gonna post many more hairstyles that you can learn from me. Thank you guys for watching. You have an amazing day. I love you, and I will see you in my next video.
else.